Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This video is about how to use firefighting equipment. Before we dive into the video, let us understand the types of extinguishers. The first type is water extinguisher. This type of extinguisher is used to extinguish the Class A fire, that is fire involving solid materials like paper, wood or textiles, and Class B fire that involves inflammable liquids like petrol, diesel or oils. The second type is foam extinguisher, which is used to extinguish Class A and Class B fire. The third one is powdered extinguisher, which is used to blow down Class A, Class B and Class C fire. The fourth extinguisher is the CO2 extinguisher, which is used to blow down fires involving gases, that is Class C fire. Before we learn how to use the fire extinguisher, let's first see the do's and don'ts of the same. Do's: keep proper distance between you and the fire extinguisher. Always use fire extinguisher towards the wind direction so that when you swipe the extinguisher, the chemical would not come at you and affect you. Use appropriate fire extinguisher depending on the type of the fire. If major fire, call fire brigade and evacuate the building or find the safest place in the building. Don'ts: the cylinder shouldn't be rusty. If it is, there will be chemical reaction between the chemical inside the fire extinguisher and the rusted part, so it can harm the rescuer. Do not fight the fire if you are uncomfortable with the situation for a particular reason or if there is unavailability of appropriate equipment. Now let us begin with the steps to use the fire extinguisher. First, take the position as shown in the video and hold the extinguishers upright as shown in the video. The next step is to pull the ring or the safety ring and press the knob a little harder. Then you have to stand back from the fire in the position shown in the video and aim at the nearest base of the fire. As shown in the video, squeeze the handles together and then sweep the extinguisher stream side to side. Here you need to remember that the way of holding the water extinguisher is a little bit different from the rest of the fire extinguishers. It is because the water extinguisher has no pipe and the rest has it. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.
For more information, call us on or email us at. You can also visit our website www.greatwallservices.com for more details. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe our channel.